Guys, another market update. So this is a Bitcoin monthly chart, and I want to talk to you about market structure, which was really important at this time, and I ignored it, basically missed it or whatever. So let's talk about this. Okay, it was very important. I could have predicted this whole pump and dump move or this whole dump as well. So this is a high, this is a low, this is a higher high, and then what everyone is waiting for, a higher low, a move up, straight up move above this $62,000 as well. But we didn't have this move, we straight went to $25,000. So what's the most important thing right here? It's the market structure break. Okay, so this is a high, this is a low, this is the lowest point. If Bitcoin breaks this thing, it will be called as bearish, right? So Bitcoin did break this, and I thought this is just a grab on liquidity below equal lows, and I ignored it. But this was a break in market structure. Right? Break in market structure is very important in trading, and if you mix market structure with Ict concept, you are inevitable. You can break anything in those in any market, right? So we had a market structure break. Let's talk about what happens when a market structure is broken, right? So first of all, anytime any asset class, any coin break the market structure, first of all, it will be that candle which break the market structure, it will be very volatile. It will be big ass red candle, green candle, vice versa. It will only offer one side of price, that is sell or buy. So it will be very quick. So we had a make in market structure, and break in market structure is similar to take liquidity. That's why you see liquidity taken and straight went up, right? So the next thing algorithm does is fill up any inefficiency which was created by this candle to break the market structure. This thing works in 15-minute time frame, 1 minute time frame, to weekly to monthly. I will show you, don't worry. Okay, I'll show you 15-minute time frame and monthly time frame, weekly time frame. By the way, you can watch ICT 2022 mentorship video, live trades. He also shows about breaking market structure and filling of any efficiency, then shorting it down to the range low, right? I will show you just like that. Okay, so let's talk about this whole move. Okay, so right now what I'm seeing in Bitcoin is we can come down to fill up this market gap, which is around $26,000 to $20,000. Yes, Bitcoin can come down to max $20,000. There is a gap, small gap here, but I don't think it will get filled. And then we can fill up this whole FEG, consolidate here, break any market structure, smaller time frame market structure, and then reclaim of $35,000. Okay, as soon as Bitcoin reclaims it, close any candles above this, Bitcoin will turn bullish again. So this is your market structure break again. So it has to break this line, $35,000, and Bitcoin will again turn bullish. It will happen any like around 4 or 5 months later, I think. So in the month of May and June, we'll have a very bearish session, and scoop some alts, buy alts, keep your bags full at that time, and don't buy right now. I think we'll have another move down as well. So just wait. I'm not really confirm about this whole move, but I have to see, as I have to see more candles to be confirmed on this move. But yeah, that's what chart is showing me right now. It will come down. We already have break in market structure. We can come down to fill up this FEG, and then reclaim the market structure, that is $35,000, right? And let's talk about the examples of this MSP which I'm talking about. So let's go to the Matic. It's a very good example, weekly, right? So this is a high, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and this is a market structure big, right? This is a market structure big. If you don't know about market structure, go search on YouTube, because if you really don't know about market structure or Ict concepts, I mean, you are literally a noob. You can't predict the market, right? You can't trade. You can trade with lines and whatever shit is, right? But this thing will give you insights about how market works, right? So like I said, anytime there is a market structure break, it will be with a full volatile candle. So big ass red candle break the market structure, the algorithm sees this whole inefficiency, fills up with this whole move up. So if you go to a daily, this is not a wick, so fills up this inefficiency, straight went up to the order block, bearish order block, come down, make a lower high, come down to the liquidity below this. All right, this is it. Now I'll show you in a 15-minute time frame as well. As you can see, uh, s- I can't go back with 15-minute time frame because TradingView doesn't give you that long of a data. So I have to scoop. I scooped up some of my trades in 15-minute time frame scalps. Oh, where it is? Yes. So look at this. All right. So this is high, low, range, low, high, low, high, low, range, little bit range, and then high. Where is the market structure break? It's here. It's here. So, but it will. It's on April 14. Yeah. So Bitcoin will break the market structure. Look at this move. Break a market structure. Take liquidity below this. React to this order block. Yeah, right. Like I said, it's all connected. Algorithm is very advanced. It's all connected. No, nothing is random. Everything is precise. Everything is already calculated and already anticipated, right? So break the market structure, goes up to fill up this inefficiency, and then move down because we already have a vacant market structure. This was just a quick scalp. I'd ignore this. Now let's. I've already talked about the okay, yeah. On weekly, Bitcoin reacted to this order block, right? Small order block, and then look at the bodies of this whole wick went up, straight went up to this range low line. Look at the bodies of the candle straight up above this 28,000 hours, this range low line, right? So for the algorithm, this is a very important level. That's why you see this whole precision, right? So and I in my previous video I talked about this that this order block, I will see that it will hold or not, and I think it won't gonna hold. As you can see, it didn't hold. Take liquidity below this, even went below the range low as well. And I couldn't make a market update video as I'm really lazy. Okay, but you can follow me on my Twitter. I post market update there. So I already knew about this. When we break this whole OB or order block, sorry, take liquidity below this, I already know that we will break this lower point of Bitcoin, which was created in 2021 as well. So yeah, Bitcoin will come down to $20,000. That is what I'm seeing right now. And yeah, keep eye on that. Okay, keep watching price action. Don't buy right now. Just wait for any type of confirmation. Okay. Now let's talk about alts. So in my previous video, I talked to you that alts can crash more than 30%, and what do you see? They crash more than 20%, dot 24%, FTM 29%, every other all crash more than 20% or 25%. That's why it is pumping. It is pumping more than 20%, right? So let's talk about alt. First of all, let's talk about BNB. So it didn't have taken out liquidity below this. So BNB first take liquidity below this, taken out liquidity below equal lows of this, and it will come down as well here as well, right? So ADA lower high, nothing to see here. ASX, it can come down to $10 as well, fill up this whole inefficiency. Matic, already talked about this. Atom, oh yeah, FTD. So look at this. Second time order block won't hold, but the algorithm sees order block is a precise price action, precise level, so it has to close bodies of the candles above this as well. I don't know why algorithm does this, but yeah, whatever it is. So we came down, haven't taken out liquidity below this, below equal lows, and I will show you what's gonna happen in FTT. This will happen in FTT, right? Same chart. Okay, so Atom came down in my last video. Atom was around $16 when I was talking about Atom. It came down, take liquidity below this range low line, and bodies are above this range low line as well. So dot was around here when I talked about this. So this was the liquidity, tapped it, straight went below the range low. Bodies are closing off the range low, but it will come down, don't worry. So near liquidity already taken out, wet, leave it. Rune already taken out liquidity below this. Let's talk about Sol already reacted to this 50% of this red candle. So I take 50% of this mean threshold of it, and look at the precision, already bounced. Leave DRX. Dusk, okay, Dusk is okay. Let's talk about Dusk. Okay, so what are you seeing? Okay, this is a very precise price action, so it bounced off from this only range low line. That's how you know market is run by an algorithm. Okay, I don't give a shit what people say. It's not run by an algorithm. Like, come on, dude, what is this what is this then? How am I predicting this? So it bounced off from this. I mean, I'll show you this exact thing, exact same thing happened in Matic too. Where's Matic? Oh fuck, let me show you Matic. Okay, see this. You can see this range low line bounced off from this. Okay, and what do you see in dusk? Bounced off from it, but liquidity untapped. Matic tap the liquidity first of all, bounce from here, tap that liquidity, and dusk will tap liquidity below this. So watch out for dusk, it will go down below range low as well. That's how you know market can drop more, because it's untapped liquidity. But see, it's all calculated, right? It's all calculated how it will take how alts will take liquidity out with a move from Bitcoin. So it's all interconnected, right? So Bitcoin will drop more, it will take liquidity below this. IOTX, I talked about that it will fill up this whole inefficiency with its price action, and red candles filled up with the green candles, so it can go below 0.01 as well. Alright, so yeah, that's all it to it, I guess. I mean, I don't want to talk about more alts, because you can watch them by yourself. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. I'm watching for Bitcoin to reach $20,000. I'm not buying anything right now. Alright, just some longs, simple spot buying, little bit, and then we'll book some profit, and then leave it. Yeah, that's it, guys. I wait for this whole move to come. Any confirmation, I'll give update on Twitter and on my YouTube too. Alright, and go watch ICT YouTube videos, mentorship video, if you don't know how these concepts work, because these concepts are very precise. They give you insights about the market and how they work, because your shitty trend line support resistance won't gonna give you any precise reaction to this. Like I said, I missed this whole move because of market structure, which I completely ignored it. Like I said, I'm already in 6 months of this whole trading thing, so I'm gonna miss a little bit of it, but not a whole lot of it. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.